What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Oh shit, I'm running late.
What's up, man?
So I'm back again with the big homie, Dave.
What's going on, guys?
And it's time for a rematch of last week's pickup challenge.
I lost last time, but bro, I'm back for vengeance this time.
So here's how it's gonna work. There's gonna be 3 rounds, and each round we're gonna do a challenge that we picked from the comments of last week's video. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Later at the end of the video, the loser is gonna have to go up to a random stranger and try and convince them to subscribe to the winner's YouTube channel.
Let's do it, bro. I'm about to get me some more subscribers.
It feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right.
So for round 1, we have to tell the girl that we're a virgin at some point in the conversation. Winner goes first. Excuse me. Do you know if there's a Chick-fil-A nearby?
Yeah, there's one inside, so like not this building, but the one
I gotta be
next
honest,
to it.
I asked you because I thought you were a kid.
I'm
David.
thanks. Hi, I'm Casey.
What are you up to today, Casey?
I'm going to class. I did 4 classes today.
Alright, cool. I actually have to go run and meet a friend. I'm a virgin, but when do you want to hang out sometime?
Chick-fil-A's that way.
Excuse me. Do you know how to get to the football stadium?
It's that way.
Okay, actually, I just stopped you because I thought you were cute.
Oh,
I wanted to
thank
say
you.
hi. What's going on, Dave?
Hi, Dave. I'm Arden.
Arden?
Yes.
Arden, as a virgin, it's really nice to meet you. Would you want to hang out sometime?
I'm
I got to
pretty
run this
busy.
one. Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, listen,
but-
how about you give me your number? We'll see if we can work it out.
Okay.
All right, cool.
Alright guys, so Dave is up 1-0 after the first round. My girl just straight like walked away when I told her I was a virgin. But that's alright, it's time for round 2, time for redemption. We have to tell the girl or say meow after every statement that we make. Are you ready?
You're about to go down again. Meow.
Excuse me.
Yes,
Do you know if there's a Chick-fil-A nearby, meow?
there is. Okay, so well, it's like Chick-fil-A Express, but you can get like.
I gotta be honest with you. The real reason I asked you is I thought you were really cute, meow.
Oh, thank you.
I'm David.
I'm Andrea.
What are you up to today, meow?
I am going to my FIG, and then I have like a 6-hour tutoring session for econ.
That sounds very long.
I have a midterm on Friday, and I know absolutely nothing. Yeah, I'm technically
Damn.
supposed to be studying right now, but I'm not. So
Just pretending?
yeah, it makes me feel good to have it out, like like I'm actually doing something.
Well, look, I gotta go run and meet a friend, meow, but would
Okay.
you wanna hang out sometime?
Sure, yeah.
Alright, cool. What is your phone number, meow?
What are you saying? What, at the end of your sentence, what are you saying?
What do you mean, meow?
Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna ignore it.
What's your phone number?
832.
Excuse me. You know where to get to the football stadium?
That way.
That way?
Literally just
All
straight.
right, I
that way.
gotta stop you. I actually just stopped you because I thought you were cute, meow, and I had to say hi, meow.
To what?
I wanted to say hi.
Oh,
meow.
hello.
How's it going, Dave? Yeah.
Rachel.
Rachel?
Yeah.
Good to meet you, meow.
You too.
I gotta run and meet my
Are
friend
you
actually.
visiting campus?
Yeah.
Where from?
From Rhode Island.
Why? Okay,
Yeah.
why?
I think we're going to grad school here.
Oh,
yeah.
shit.
Yeah.
Cool.
But I gotta run. Would you want to hang out sometime?
Sure, why not?
Sure.
Yeah.
Let me just grab your number real quick.
Okay, and my phone's dead.
Your phone's dead? All right, cool. What is it? Meow?
My name's Rachel. It's 817.
Alright guys, so it's 2-1. That means I need to get a W on this last round in order to make it a tie. Now, before we get into the final round, I want to take a second to tell you about the sponsor of today's video, Vincero Watches. When it comes to talking to girls, or talking to anyone really, it's very important to make a strong first impression. And an easy way to do that is to wear a dope outfit. And the easiest way to upgrade any outfit you're wearing is by complementing it with a dope watch. And guys, Vincero makes the best watches that your money can buy. Not only do they all look sleek, like right now I'm wearing their matte black chronograph watch, but they're also all made from the same materials that you find in watches that cost like 10 times the price. For example, this is made with real Italian leather for the band and surgical grade stainless steel for the casing. Now the good news is because they cut out the middleman and they sell directly to you, they're able to offer these watches at an amazing price. And because I partnered with them for this video, you can use my coupon code to save even more money on your next purchase. Just click that first link in the description to see all of my favorite watches on their website. Hey there guys, For round 3, we need to pick up girls using a different accent. Are you ready, mate?
You're going down, Holmes.
Excuse me there. Quick question for you.
Yes.
You know if there's a Chick-fil-A nearby?
Yes, there is. In the SAC.
Look, I gotta be honest. I asked you because I thought you were beautiful.
Oh, thank you. That's so nice.
I'm David.
Nice to meet you. I'm Haley.
What are you up to today?
I'm actually going to take a test right now.
Look, good luck on your test. I'll
Thank
let you
you.
run. But would you want to hang out sometime?
I,
Yeah, I'll get your phone number.
Okay.
And if it works out, we'll make it happen.
okay, that's so nice.
What's your number?
682.
Excuse me. Do you know where the American football stadium is?
The American
The
football
American
stadium.
football stadium, yeah.
Right, straight down this way.
Actually,
Yes.
the real reason I asked you is because I think that you're muy bonita, and I had to say hi. I'm
That's
David.
very sweet of you. Nice to meet you, David.
What's your name?
Karina.
Karina. Very nice to meet you. I have to run and meet up with my amigo, but would you want to hang out sometime?
I'm actually married. But
You
I
married?
appreciate that. Thank you. I'm flattered.
That's up to you. It's okay.
I gotta be honest, bro. I'm surprised that worked. I was picturing Jason Statham in my head the whole time.
And I was picturing some tacos.
That didn't work for you too well, bro.
It did not.
But final results, 2-2, tie game, respect.
Respect.
You know what that means, right?
Overtime.
Nope. It means we both have to do the punishment at the end of this video.
Killing me, bro.
All right, guys, it's time to get these games in. But first, I have a big announcement for you. On Saturday, November 3rd at 2 p.m., I'm going to have a How to Beast meetup right here in Austin, Texas. The meetup is going to be right downtown at this cool park right next to the lake called Mathias Shores. I'll put all the info in the description. Basically, we're just gonna hang out. I'm gonna be there, Julia's gonna be there, Matt's gonna be there, and we're gonna give away some free gear as well. So if you live in Texas and you're thinking about coming, you can click the link in the description to RSVP so I know how many guys to expect. And if you live in Texas and you don't come, I'm gonna be very mad, bro. Games, bro. So, guys, I want to talk to you because earlier when we were filming the approaches, a few guys from Beast Nation came up and said what's up, and a few of them asked, David, what is your #1 tip for getting better with women and being confident with women? And it really got me thinking, and I want to answer that question for you now. And to be completely blunt, I don't have a secret tip that you haven't heard before. The fact is that getting better with women is like getting better at anything in life. If you want to play professional basketball and you're not a good basketball player, you don't go online and search to what's the secret for getting good at basketball. You get your ass in the gym and you take thousands upon thousands of shots. You practice. We talking about practice. Back in the day when I used to suck at talking to girls, at first all I did was look at YouTube videos with dating advice and read books on picking up girls. And while that stuff did help me build a stronger mindset and realize that it was possible to improve, it was not until I actually got my ass out of the house and started forcing myself to talk to girls that I saw any improvement at all.
For sure, man. It was the same with me. Now, what I recommend is that every time you go to the bar, you challenge yourself by trying to talk to 5 girls before you leave. And during the week, to keep yourself sharp, try to talk to 1 or 2 new girls during the day just to keep that consistent practice going.
And if this is something you really struggle with, then good news. I actually have a completely free online confidence course that shows you a series of small challenges I used myself to rapidly expand my comfort zone so that now, you know, it's easy for me. I can go up and talk to a girl without hesitating. If you want to get access to that now, just click the I in the top right corner or the link in the description. So we're going on a little bro date for the evening. But this ain't your average bro date. We're sure we're gonna get dinner and a movie, but before that, we need to pay our dues and execute the punishment for the challenge earlier today. You ready, bro?
I'm ready. So that means that I gotta convince people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, and you gotta convince people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yo guys, I got a quick question for you. Y'all watch YouTube? Yeah. Cool, yo. I just checked out this video from this channel called How to Beast. It's got me all pumped up. It's all about like confidence and like dating and stuff. Y'all like that kind of stuff? Yeah. Yo, all right, real quick, let me just show you this channel. You get a phone? Just like pull it out real quick. You gotta subscribe to this guy, man. Tell me, this guy will change your life. I promise you.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
But yo, make sure if you subscribe, make sure you actually watch the videos. Cause if not, he's gonna get mad, bro. He's gonna get real mad. All right, yo. All right, good you guys.
So, does not look like you just got me any new subscribers.
You know what? Those two guys were not good enough for Beast Nation.
You're probably right. Anyway, let me go see if I can't get you a subscriber.
Let's do it.
Random questions. You watch YouTube?
No,
You don't watch any YouTube?
not really, no.
Oh man.
What's up?
I was gonna tell you someone you should check out. I just watched this guy's video. I'm all like pumped up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have YouTube on your phone?
I've got Google.
Search Dave. Yeah. Click on him. He does a lot. He's like dating advice videos, and it's just like it blew my mind. You should subscribe to him.
Really?
Yeah.
I have a watch. Is it good, is it?
It's good.
I have a watch.
You have a watch?
And I'll do it. I'll do the same.
Respect, man.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
I'm gonna be honest, guys. Trying to get someone to subscribe to a YouTube channel, definitely harder than approaching a girl. That being said, I want to say thank you to Dave for doing the challenges with me again today. Respect. I'm gonna put a link to his channel in the description if you want to check it out. He does a lot of dating and confidence videos. I'm starving. Let's get some gains.
What are you gonna get, bro? What do you usually get here?
Any queso or veggies?
All right, guys, so I got Qdoba for dinner. Last time I had this, I thought it was better than Chipotle. So we'll have to see. There's guacamole, ground beef, rice, beans, their extra hot sauce. Call me crazy, but I think this is better than Chipotle. What do you think, bro?
Dude, no contest. This absolutely crushes Chipotle. I got the smoked brisket. They don't have that there. This every time.
Hello there. Could I have a double hamburger with no cheese? A double hamburger with no cheese. A couple of chicken nuggets, please. A 5-piece of chicken nuggets.
Fried chicken nuggets, okay. What else?
Do you have any afternoon tea?
All right, guys, little post-workout, post-movie snack at Jack in the Box. I've never had Jack in the Box in my entire life, so I'm about to give you my first impression. You guys know I'm all about my fast food hamburgers.
How is it?
7 out of 10, not as good as In-N-Out.
It's pretty good, man. 7 out of 10 is still pretty good.
So the movie we just saw was The House with the Clock Walls. I've pretty much already seen every other movie out there with Julia. I would give this 5 out of 10, not recommended. What's your score?
I appreciate you taking me to this one out of all the other ones, man. I'm getting
welcome,
the movie
bro.
scraps over here. I give this one a 3.2 out of 10.
Anyway, we're gonna wrap the video up here. Let me know in the comments, do you like when we approach girls in the videos? Do you like those challenges? And if you do, also give us some new ideas of things we could potentially do in the next video. That being said, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, give it, I can't give you a thumbs up, but give it a thumbs up. That's right. I will talk to you in the next video. If I don't talk to you in the next video, I'm gonna be mad, bro. Stay beastly!